I remember when I came to this country, it's gonna be it's 19 years since I've been in the United States, so I've been this country. Our first Christmas, I remember I was working in this house in Miami as a nanny, and the family went back to they went to the travel, so they wasn't there for Christmas. And my expectation was that Christmas is gonna be like saying how it is in my country. So I remember I cooked a little something for myself because I was the only person in the house. My parents was back home. It was my first Christmas, few months I just arrived from Peru. And I went outside and I was waiting to be midnight and see the fireworks, seeing the people coming outside from the doors, and actually nobody showed up. It was silence. It was like when I went outside and I looked at it, it was like nothing was there. And in my own country, it's like people walking, giving hugs, saying hi, in the middle of the night, kids are jumping and like everybody have their new clothes and nothing. So I feel very lonely. I did feel like it was very depressing for me. So for me, when I was able to have the opportunity to celebrate Christmas with my community was the best, because when I was working with the guys, with the day laborers, and sometimes they told me the stories, that their family was back home, or they haven't seen for a long time, or how much they wish to give a toys to them. Sometimes I see these men look like my brothers, because I only have brothers. It was really hard for me, and that's why I did want to make it special. I want to have this celebration with my new family. It doesn't matter what you give it to them. Little thing that you give it to them. On my first Christmas, I remember, like I said, was ice cream and this ham. It was a lot for them. The small little toy that you give it, the little present that you give it to them, it was a lot for them. I still remember that the whole way. The room was on Joseph Building, like 2 blocks from here, on 27th Street, room 108. We didn't have a space in our room. And this is a small little office. So we use the hallway and the guys sit down. It was sitting in the hallway, eating their food, and they come inside, and then they finish, they go outside, sitting again and give it to the dessert, sitting on the floor. That's how we start Christmas. For me, in these 9 years, seeing how big and how great, it means a lot, not only for me, because also means a lot for the community. Because we know that we are not alone in here. No matter that we don't have our families, our kids, our parents, our brothers, our sisters, we have familia through this community. In a street level, it's been building this community, creating this space for them. That's Christmas. It's to celebrate with familia. And that's why it's important for us and continue having this event.